Hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Just wanted to do another quick update for Avarice. As you can see here, there's just a little bit over an hour left in the day, and we are at 1108 BNB here in the lobby. Let me refresh that actually. Maybe it went up a little bit. Yeah, 1116 BNB for the day. So before I get going, guys, do want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor, as if I had to remind you. I'm not giving you any type of financial advice in this video or anything on my channel, guys. If you're going to get into anything in crypto, do your own research, do your own due diligence, and for Pete's sake, put only risk capital in, guys, okay? Very, very important that you only put in funds that you're okay losing. Also, follow me on Telegram. I will leave a link for that down below. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, hit subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So that being out of the way, you can see here, it looks like it's going to be another strong day in the lobby. Still over an hour left. And you guys have been tracking this over the last couple of days or the last week or so. Most of the BNB that gets injected into the lobby comes in like in the last half hour, last 20 minutes, last 10 minutes. People are trying to snipe and people are watching it, and rightfully so. You know, you always want to kind of see what the lobby's doing. If the lobby is a little bit low, you might want to throw a little bit more in. If the lobby is booming and exploding, you might want to hold off a little bit. Everyone has their own different strategy. It's a way to gamify the system. But you know, if you don't have time to do any of that and you just want to kind of take the emotion out of it and just dollar cost average in, you can do that as well. But yeah, this is it's a pretty, you know, this thing has been it's been on a rocket ship since it launched. And you know, the divs have been juicy. The lobby has been booming. There are a bunch of you guys that are brand new. I don't know if you're brand new to the space or brand new to DeFi, or maybe that you're brand new to this type of model, because you know, a lot of times you'll hear people say on videos that this is, you know, T2X on BSC. The lead developer of this is the same lead developer of T2X, and it's true, right? But we take for granted that a lot of you guys might be new, and maybe you weren't around for T2X, right? 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, T2X was, you know, on Tron. That's when everything was on Tron, just like now everything's on BSC. And you know, we take for granted that, you know, some of you guys weren't there. So I do get a lot of questions saying, hey, what do I do? I don't know. I'm totally lost. I don't understand what's going on. So I'm gonna give you like a quick, you know, not even a crash course, like 2-minute tutorial here on what to do. It's pretty simple. So the key here, right now, let's forget about lending, buying and selling and all that for this video, because I want to keep it super duper basic. Because the reality is you can make a killing just from the lobby and from staking. A lot of people made millions off T2X just from the lobby and staking, right? So what you want to do is you want to get into the lobby, okay? And basically what you want to do is you want to enter the lobby. You know what? Let me show you here. Let me show you here. Let me enter the lobby, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the lobby. Now again, the sooner you can get into the lobby, the better, because as you can see here, there's less and less available AVC tokens every single day, right? And so, you know, the earlier you get in, the better. Okay, that's just the reality of it. The reality of it, right? So what you want is you want to enter. Okay, you want to enter. So I'm gonna throw in 5 BNB right now. I've been throwing in 5 BNB every single day, and then I'm gonna watch it. And if I want to throw in a little bit more based on where the lobby is at later, I'll probably do that. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna simply enter the lobby right here. Then what's gonna happen is towards the end of the day, when this hits zero, when this countdown hits zero, and the lobby day ends, what's going to happen is you're gonna have AVC tokens that you can collect, right? So I just entered the lobby right here. So later when this hits zero, I'm going to be able to collect my tokens. Okay. Now I have tokens to collect because I didn't do this yesterday, but I entered the lobby yesterday with 5 BNB. What's going to happen is just like this one here is going to end when the lobby, when this is zero, I'll be able to collect my tokens from this one. This one here, I can collect my tokens because this is from yesterday. So what's going to happen is you collect your tokens at the end of the day. And then what you do is when you collect your tokens, right, you collect, give it a couple of seconds so it hits your wallet. Once you collect them, then you're going to head over to the staking tab and you're going to stake them. Okay. And then again, that's when you stake them, you figure out what your strategy is. You might want to stake it for 30 days. You might want to stake it for 60 days. You might want to stake it for 2 weeks. It all, everyone's different, right? The longer you stake, okay, you can give you some food for thought here. The longer you, now I already collected it right here. I'm going to refresh. You'll see it's going to be whited out right here. Now, the longer you stake your tokens, the more bonus tokens you're going to get, right? So that's why people stake it for a little bit longer. However, you might say, well, screw that. I'm not even interested in bonus tokens. I just want BNB divs, right? So you might want to stake it a little bit shorter because you're not in it for the bonus tokens. You're in it to, just, get BNB divs, right? Everyone's different. Okay. Some people do a ladder stake where they ladder their stakes out. Some people just do one big stake and they do it for whatever, 3 weeks, a month and a half, whatever the case might be, collect their divs and then wash, rinse, repeat. Everyone's different. Everyone, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You figure out what works for you. So I collected my tokens. You can see them right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head off to staking. And then I'm going to go ahead and just stake them right here. So I have, in my wallet, I have 10,932. Let's say I stake that for 30. Let's say I staked it for 14 days. Okay, because I'm kind of experimenting with something here. So let's say we stake that out for 14 days. Okay, so you see here, I'm going to get 27 bonus tokens. But what's going to happen is at the end of those 14 days, like some of you guys you're messaging me because you're saying, hey, I staked my tokens. I don't see dividends, or I'm not getting dividends in my wallet, right? This is not one of those platforms where you put a deposit in and then every 24 hours you're getting, a dividend, right? Like some of the other platforms that we're in. This is something where you stake it. At the end of the stake is when you'll be able to collect your BNB dividends and you get your AVC tokens released as well. And after you scrape your BNB dividends to your wallet, you can go ahead and restake those AVC tokens, okay, and restake them again for whatever, 2 weeks, a month and a half, whatever the case might be, right? You simply stake it right here. Because I've been getting a bunch of you guys asking me, hey, I'm not getting any I staked it and I'm not getting any dividends. You have to wait till the stake is over. When the stake is over and matured and the stake ends, then that's when you get your BNB dividends, and then you can get your AVC tokens to restake them, wash, rinse, repeat. Okay. So yeah, boom. When we refresh, make sure you read these FAQs, right? When will I receive my dividends? What is staking? What are bonus tokens? Can I cancel my stake, right? You can't, but you can sell them. When will I receive my dividends? After the stake day is completed, you will be able to end your stake and collect your BNB and AVC tokens. And again, you can restake those tokens again and just wash, rinse, repeat, right? So as you can see here, I have about 77 divs, every at 8 p.m. tonight. Not only does the lobby end, but we get our dividends from the previous day's stake. As you can see here, I have 77 BNB. And, like, for example, this one here, this one ends, I did a 2-week stake for this one right here. So at the end of that 2-week stake, I'll be able to take all these dividends in my wallet. Then I get these AVC tokens and I can restake those for another 2 weeks or 30 days or whatever I want to do, right? Well, that's kind of how this works, right? And then you just collect your BNB dividends. But get in, what you want to do is you want to get into the lobby, enter the lobby, and then when the clock ends, just do what I showed you here. It's really simple, guys. So again, I wanted to just kind of walk you a little bit through that because I've been getting a bunch of questions, people confused, they don't know how it works, they don't know, they're wondering why they're not getting their BNB dividends in their wallet. It's a little bit different. But this is a monster of a platform, guys. You can see here, there's already 12,231 overall participants. There's been 19,308 BNB deposits, and it is cranking, and it, like I said, it doesn't look like it's slowing down. You can see here there's already 1131 BNB in the lobby, and there's still, you know, over an hour left. And like I said before, the bulk of the BNB comes in, you know, towards the, you know, as this gets closer to zero, like the last half hour, 20 minutes, 15 minutes or so. But yeah, if you want to check this out, I will leave a link down below. Make sure you use a referral link. That way you get a 1% kickback. And yeah, this thing has been cranking. So follow me on my journey here. Just watch my updates. Just kind of mirror what I do a little bit. Of course, create your own strategy, right? But you can kind of mirror what I do and what I show on the videos, if you know, kind of like a little mini walkthrough and tutorial. But yeah, figure out what you want to do, guys. Only put in a risk capital. Follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon, and I will catch you on the next video. This thing is a monster of a platform, and if you ain't in right now, I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, guys, peace.